Alright, so let's look at how to withdraw our monies from HITTC portal. Anytime you make sales with HITTC's platform, you earn money in your wallet. So how do you withdraw that money from your affiliate wallet? So that's what we are going to look at right now. So just follow prompts and see how that should be done. Now, after logging in to your affiliate wallet, this is how it looks like. You have your total balance, which is the amount of money you made after your last withdrawal. Okay, so your total balance. Now, in affiliate marketing, especially in HITTC, you are paid every Fridays, so you can make withdrawals every Fridays. So the amount of money that is available for withdrawal is what you see as total balance. Okay, then you can also see overall earnings. The overall earnings, these are the amount of money you have made since you joined this affiliate marketing company. Okay, so since you joined HITTC, the amount of money you've accumulated so far is what we see as overall earnings. So it means that the total balance can reduce, but the overall earnings is just as it is because it is cumulative amount of money you've made over the period. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So how do we withdraw our money if maybe we've made some sales and we've made some cash? We have to withdraw. How do we do that? So to withdraw your money, what you've got to do is to click on these three icons here. We call it the hamburger. So you click on those hamburgers, those three lines over there. When you click on it, it actually expands like this, right? So when it expands like this, you just have to go and look for payments and report, and this is it, the payment and report. That is where everything about payment and money issues are recorded. So payment and report, when you click on payment and reports, it comes this way for you, and then you just have to request your payment. So this is request payment. All right, withdrawal report tells you about your withdrawal history so far, how much withdrawn and all those things. But right now we are looking at how to withdraw. So you request payment. Now when you click on request payment, it gives you this form to fill. Okay, it automatically picks your account number or your ID, which is what you are seeing over here. It picks your ID, and you should always look at it and be sure that that's your ID. And it also records your current balance you have that you can withdraw money from, right? So we have your ID there and your current balance you can withdraw money from. Now the next item there, for you to type the amount of money you want to withdraw. Okay, and this money you want to withdraw should always be equal or less than your current balance. If you type something more than that, your withdrawal request will be rejected because you can't take what you don't have. So it should always be equal to or less than the amount of money you have there. You can always take, or you can take some as and when you need it. So you can just type an amount, maybe out of the $45 you have there, you want to take just $10. You just type it there, and once you are done, you are going to click on submit. So when you click on submit, you have your request submitted. Okay, you have your request submitted. So you just have to take note that you see this very pop up here, which says withdrawal request made successfully pending approval. So you have to take note of this. So once you say this, it means the withdrawal has gone through successfully, and you just have to cancel the form. Okay, because if you submit another, it means you are requesting for another withdrawal. So it's likely to go through. So you just have to cancel the phone and wait patiently for an email message to be sent to you. The next day, when an email message is sent to you, it comes with the money into your mobile money account or your bank account. Okay, but basically, this one is for those who want to receive payment through their mobile money account. Now, you have to be careful whenever you are registering somebody on board. The number you received to buy the course for the person, that is the number that we use to pay the person. So the person should provide the mobile money number that will be used to receive payments. That's it. But going forward, the system might be updated and things may change. Okay, so where you can provide your phone number that you want to get the money on. Okay, so but currently this is how the system works, and I wish you all the best through the journey that make a lot of money and cash out for yourself. All right, so that is how to cash out money from your system.